Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and I just want to remind you that Walter and I will be live on the air today, December 24th, 2023, at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Of course, this is Christmas Eve, so we thought we would do something that is festive. Wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Possibly have a little drink or two and maybe nibble on a Christmas cookie or whatever, and we invite you to do the same during this broadcast. I know you'll probably be very busy with your plans for Christmas Eve, so if you can't join us, that's perfectly all right. We understand. But for those of you that can join us, well, come, let's be festive this time of the year. It's a great thing to do, right? So we'll talk about different things. We'll talk about plans for next year, because we have a few, and I'm sure you have a few plans for next year as well. And of course, we're going to talk a little bit more about Georgia and how we're going to do video, if we're going to do video while we're in Georgia at the retreat. And I am sure we will come up with all kinds of other things to discuss at the time as well. So I hope you'll join us. Oh yeah, we're going to talk about our 40th anniversary as well. Yeah. Walter's in mine. Yeah, so that's there too. So anyways, I'm rambling. Hope to see you later on. Merry Christmas if I don't. Merry Christmas if I do. See you later. Bye-bye.